Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox payment cancelled. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox payment cancelled, you should just go to settings and you will click. After that, in this page, you will enter to this window of apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page, you will go to this window of Roblox. Here in this list, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click storage. When you'll find this page, we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you will wait a moment. Then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix your problems on Roblox payments cancelled. So please don't forget to support us, the bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.